like almost like soundtrack music. It's it's like spoken word. This is B flat minor 7. You can play it here at the 6th fret. You could just bar top 4 strings. And then it goes to a G major, G sharp major 7, 4th fret. Now you can play these in different positions. Like here's where you can play both. You can play and then go. This is that simple way of playing a major 7. It's movable. But your root is on the 4th, so it's always 2. This chord shape is 2 frets up from the root on the 6th string. All right, here we go. Thanks for that request. Have fun. Bye.